castle chest.
Castle chest? Can I see?
Look, a
Mhm.
castle chest escaped the zombies here, and it followed the trails.
And then?
The footprints looked like a giant zombie.
The footprints like a giant zombie. And then?
The right way is the running, the away, and the zombies is escape.
Ah, and the zombie escape. And then? What's happened of the...
The spider is coming to the home, and then it trapped the everybody is trapped the spider, and then
Then?
and roll away, and the chest is safe. The
Wow.
mountain is here, the chest is here, and then the circle is here, and the coin is here, and then the body is here.
And then it was safe. Or everybody is safe.
Yeah, the spider is patay now.
Oh, the spider is already dead now.
Yeah, the zombie is dead. The footprints looks like a giant zombie.
Oh my god. The zombie is dead and then the footprints look like a giant zombie because he ate the zombies?
Yeah!
Do not shouting. I told
It's
you.
a big zombie, enormous.
Enormous. Oh my god.
Let's make a chest, Mama.
Yeah? Okay.
Here,
Okay.
let's make.
Okay. Can you write the name of the footprint? What his name?
Look like a giant monster.
Shh, slow your voice. Slow.
Mama, it looks like a giant and small footprints. It's a giant footprints,
Mm-hmm.
and then what does the walking this?
Okay, he's walking there.
Yeah,
And then what he found when he walking there?
because the trail goes way,
Mm.
the circle was way to the home. The
Mm-hmm.
footprints look like a zombie,
Mm-hmm.
and then the spider.
Oh, that is nice. He got it.
Yes,